day everyone, my name is Berna Grace Pereda. My qualification is Shielded Metal Arc Welding NC2. Today, I will show you how to perform capping penetration in weld carbon steel plate using Smaw.
Personal protective equipment.
Welding apron, welding gloves, welding goggles, welding helmet,
Tools and materials in welding.
welding machine, electrodes, piston, grinder, vice grip, carbon steel plate, welding hammer.
Step procedures. Clean the work location before starting. Prepare tools and materials. Prepare and utilize PPE. Prepare carbon steel plate with clean root pass penetration. Align the carbon steel plate in 3G position. Start welding the carbon steel plate in capping pass penetration. Clean the carbon steel plate and check if no defects. Two capping pass in 3G position. Clean your area and put your equipments and materials to the storage room. For your activity, in your designated area, given the necessary equipment and materials, you should perform capping pass penetration in carbon steel plate in 2 hours.